Beautiful Sunday afternoon. Gil and I made it out. Worked the piglet. The pump's working really good. I had the 45 on it turned up again now, and then it was spraying over the box, unlike the other time I went out. So whatever was in the pump worked its way out. Check it, maybe it's not quite center, but pretty good. Alright, time to process material with the Goldhog. So the holes we're digging from behind that rock, and then on the other side, here's that gravel thing I looked at last winter. Somebody took a big size hole. I didn't find, I took some on the side there, I didn't find anything. I went down the bottom and there were some decent pieces, but I figured it'd be harder for my son to dig there. So we moved up that big rock. And test pans are pretty good. So I get running pretty good. I think I'm at, again, 9 and 7. I think next time I might set that to 10 or 11. Just try to get a little more exchange. Crash box is working excellent. Damn good piece of machinery. Oh, there's chipmunks back there.
Oh,
Hear them running around squeaking.
Oh.
Alright, time to get out of here. It's nice, we're real close to the truck. It's a really nice walk.
Yep.
Yep.
It's really nice.
Got my number one.
Oh, and there's a little dog.
Got my number one prospecting buddy. Got another dog walking.
Yep.
Oh yeah.
He's running.
He's running. Got his owners driving by him. Mainly today I came out just to, come out in the sun and look for a spot for Kevin and I to go out on the next week or two. Beautiful day. See you clean up. Alright, there's my son and I's cleanup. Not too shabby for that spot. We weren't there very long. Promised my wife we would only be a couple hours, so we probably had more time setting up and cleaning up and doing a couple test pans as we actually did running, but it was a nice day to get out. Not too cold. Hard to believe that it's still not that much snow on the ground for this time of the year, but cool little spot. Not too bad of a walk from the gates are closed now, so not too bad of a walk to get up there for the future for this winter. So I'll be spending a little more time playing around on that gravel deposit here and there. But alright, I hope you enjoyed that one. Like always, get outside, get out in nature, enjoy, and I'll see you on the next one.